Hello, and welcome to Math 8. I am your teacher, Mr. Howell. The first thing you'll notice at the top of the page is the course description. Below the course description are two assignment guides. One is a PDF version, which you can download and print off at home. The other one is an online version that you can actually save directly to your Google Drive. As soon as you click on the link, it will ask you to make a copy, and you can save a copy to your own Google Drive. The introduction section that you will see at the very top of your page, when you click on that, it takes you to this part here. The introduction section basically just has the course syllabus, which has the mark breakdown and the overview of what is in the course. So how many chapters there are, how much assignments are worth, notes are worth, quizzes and tests. There's also the teacher bulletin, which I can use to communicate with you, and V-class recording links. I don't have set video classes for this course, so if I do a V-class that is kind of applicable to everybody, I will post it there. Below the introduction section is the Getting Active section. So before you're considered active in the course, you have to make sure that you go through and complete all the information within the Getting Active section. So when you click on this, you will notice the 3 items that need to be completed there. The percents intro quiz needs to be completed in order for the rest of the course to open up. So there's a forum post of basically how to do percents. It's kind of a intro thing, and then a percents intro quiz. Every chapter is set up the same way. So if we click on chapter 1, it will take us to this chapter 1 percents. At the top of every chapter, there will be a PDF file that you will print off and fill out as you go through every lesson video. So print off the notes, and then as you go through the videos for each chapter, you will fill out these notes. Once the notes are done, then you can hand in the notes in the space provided in the course. Every chapter has the same space provided. The assignments for the course are also downloads and print off. So you print off whichever one's applicable. There's a PDF version or a doc version, depending on which one you want. And below that is also a hand-in spot for the assignment to be handed in. I've omitted several projects, so these will be hidden from you, so don't worry about those projects. I've left a few in the course, but not for chapter 1. The percents test worksheet, or the test worksheet for every chapter, is just paper that you can print off that you can do all your work on for the test. If you want to use that, or you can just write all your work on a piece of paper. This work must be done and handed in when you are doing the test itself. So when you're doing the test is done online, but your work must be shown and uploaded along with the test. So there are 3 projects listed in the course, as I've mentioned. I've omitted several of them, but I've still left 3 in. And they're pretty self-explanatory. So if you go to chapter 5, for example, we'll jump ahead, and we'll look at the project for chapter 5. So the projects are all very self-explanatory. I've tried to make them kind of easy to follow. So when you download the project, all the instructions are within the project itself, as well as the pages that you will use to fill out and submit. So yeah, once you're done the project, then there is also a spot to submit this in the course. You can click on that, add file submissions, just the same way that you would when you attach a file to an email. Lastly, for the course, there are 10 chapters and a final exam. So be aware that the final exam is there. It is also a test which covers the entire course. So please prepare for that accordingly. I hope you have a great year. Please contact me if you have any questions at all. My contact info is over on the right-hand side of the course, along with my office hours, my email, my phone number. So contact me anytime you have any questions on anything. We can set up a V-class together, just do things one-on-one. That's typically how I do things. It takes a few minutes to cover something one-on-one. So I hope you have a great year and a great rest of the course.